So let's draw a circle. Let's come somewhere in between.
Here?
Yeah, it's okay. Then draw a circle. Not too big, just okay. Awesome. And then come give some gap and draw another circle on the same line. Yeah, there is fine. Awesome. Okay, then draw a line like this to join the two. From the middle, try to join at the middle of this one as well.
It's not
Yeah. Wonderful. That's okay. Yeah. Then draw another line to come this way. From the same middle, here, draw a line. We are drawing a school bus. It's okay. And also from the front here, draw another line again to come to the front like this.
Like the other one.
Yeah, from the middle.
The same line.
Yeah, the same line. Awesome.
It
Okay.
kind of looks tiny. It was like this one had this.
It's okay.
This one is here. It needs to be like this.
Alright, so just draw a line up straight from here.
Oh, up straight?
Yeah, straight. Go up. Alright, and curve it like this to come inside. It's okay there? Okay, awesome. And take it up again. Take it up.
It looks,
high.
It looks like a car.
It's okay.
It's a bus, but
It's a bus.
Not a car, it's a
Then
bus.
curve here like this. Curve it. Okay, and then draw it straight till you get to this same level. Are you seeing it? Get to this same level. Like this.
Huh?
Come more. Come a little bit more here.
Here?
Yeah, get there. Awesome. Okay, so what you're going to do now is
Straight it down.
yeah, draw it straight down to join here. Wonderful.
Baby, we did it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's
Then
not
from here,
hard.
it's not hard. Then from here, draw a little line like this.
This tiny
Little.
baby. Hi.
Awesome. And then bring it down. Draw it down. Wonderful. And join it to this other point. Good. And from here, let's also, from this same level,
It's
draw a little line like this.
easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Draw some like a box.
Like,
See what I have done?
like the window.
It's the window, exactly. The window, the driver's side. Okay, so let's draw a door, a big door where the students go in
But it's not
the bus.
It's like a window, but it don't have a like the tin.
It's okay, don't go too far. Yeah, go down. It's okay there. Then draw the other one down. Some and
Now
close it up.
up.
Yes. And here, draw two rectangles inside like this.
Because it's something.
Yeah, it's a door. And that's a glass I can see through. Wonderful. Then let's draw more windows here.
What? I thought we're gonna draw only one
We have more for the students
to see
to see.
outside.
Exactly, yes. So we draw more windows.
Only how many more windows?
They have to be on the same straight line. Okay, just draw another one on the same straight line. The same line.
The one
It's okay.
And space here, I can draw
You
one.
can draw one. Okay, that's okay. Want to put another one there? That's
Only
okay.
one more.
Wonderful. That's fine. Then draw a straight line like
Only
this. A light line. Just don't join it anywhere. Straight. It's okay. Stop there. And here, let's draw a circle. A little circle here.
A little sucker.
Yeah, somewhere here. Big circle like what Daddy have done. And just make this line. It's okay.
This level.
Okay, awesome. Then it's okay. And
I
then
did it.
yeah, and draw another line here.
The line, not don't put it all the way
The
up.
second one. Okay. Here I'm going to write school.
Over here.
It's okay. Here I'm going to write school. Can you spell school?
No, I can't
It's okay.
spell school, but I can misspell school when you're drawing school.
So, but you can write bus. Just write bus. Don't write the school. Just write bus. This is bus. Write B,
But I can
U, and S.
write it because SCHON.
Yeah, this is 2 O's, then L. Okay, if you can, then go ahead and write it. Right, S. Oh, you turn it the other way around.
That is okay.
It's not okay.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, then write the C. It's fine. Can leave it that way. Either C or H.
No.
And O, two O's.
That is easy.
It's easy, yeah. And L.
L.
And then your bus. B-U-S. B.
And no space.
Just write within the space you have. What are you writing?
Okay. Oh, let's go like this. Hey.
And U-S.
K-U-S. How can I call you?
And S.
S again.
You're writing it the other way around. This is not how I taught you to write S. See the S, you're writing it the other way around, like you're writing Z. That's hard. Come on. Okay, let's go. It's okay.
I don't know how to draw my letters.
Can you do this? Make another circle inside the tire.
And there's no more space, that's why I can't do it.
It's okay. Alright, so let's make the bumper.
Friends, do you know I fell
going
down
to
from
give
the
it to-
couch?
Yeah, you fell down. Someone fell down once from the couch and broke her collarbone.
And
But now she's fine.
yeah, because I
Okay, and here.
maybe did it.
Yeah, it's okay, but don't fall again, please.
Because you know what that's happened?
I don't want it to happen. I need to make it to miss school. You will not be going to school. Have you done this? Did you take it inside a bit? As Daddy did? Awesome. Okay, so let's make the lights. Just make a curve like this for the front lights.
Almost done. What
Awesome.
What about
Then-
students in the window
No,
seeing
we don't need to draw them. Let's make a square like this at the back.
I'm gonna pretend that in
Two
the bus.
of it is a light. Not too big. Yeah, it's okay. Another one. Not too big. It's okay.
Are we gonna pretend that in here?
No, we're not going to pretend that in there. We're just drawing the bus. Then draw off the exhaust like this.
What is the exhaust?
Exhaust is where the fumes go out of the car
the
and cover it.
The phones go out and
Yes.
they get out and they don't come in again.
Yes. Then make a little,
Oh, that's a little engine.
going off like this.
It's like smoke.
Yeah, it's the smoke going off. You can just color it black already. It's okay.
We're almost done.
Yeah, then let's make a stand. That's the side mirror of the driver.
I haven't got it. Oh no, I did not do it.
Yeah, just draw it off. Draw a straight line from here. Go up a bit. Then draw like a square or a rectangle. And color it black.
But how is the
That's
people
awesome.
gonna see here?
It's
Black.
the driver that is going to use it or see, not.
But it's black. Nobody sees it black.
Don't worry. It's the back of the mirror. The front of the mirror, the driver will see with it. It's where the mirror is. Okay, so can we go ahead to color it now? Awesome.
Yes.
So let's use the yellow.
But the bus is yellow.
Yeah, the bus is yellow.
This
Okay,
is
before we
this
color.
kind of yellow.
Yeah, before we color yellow, let's first color some other spots. Like the tire, let's give it a black color. The tire here.
If we color the whole thing black or
Not the whole, just the
not
just the
whole,
outside of it.
the whole thing because it'll look all black
Yeah.
and we will not like it.
And once you're done with that, you move to this other one, the back one. Be careful what you're doing so you don't color outside.
Are we not gonna color the whole?
Yes. Okay, then let's color this red. And the lights, give the lights red color. The lights, give it red. With the light red color.
Oh no.
And here as well, red color.
Wait, I said wait.
And here, once you're done, and here the light at the back is also red.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, now. So which yellow do you say we use? This one? Let's go ahead and color.
Yeah, because buses are not light yellow.
Ah, the school bus is yellow.
Yeah, but not light yellow. Let's recolor it purple.
It's yellow or orange. Yeah, it can be orange.
Daddy, do you know what
I do like yellow color.
Yes, do you know what I'm gonna do?
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna piece this. I'm gonna piece the bus. No, but I'm not
Keep going. That is will soon finish.
I'm just,
I don't know what you're doing.
just lining it. I'm just
Yeah,
cutting some,
outlining it.
I'm cutting some pieces
Okay.
for me to color it.
Let's do as you want. Don't color the windows, okay? The window is going to be different colors.
And
The door as well.
that's the windows now. Oh, but the door is gonna be yellow.
Yeah, the door will be yellow, but the window or the glass and the door is not going to be yellow. Keep going. Let's go. Daddy is almost completing
But
his
you
color.
still have the bottom, haha.
I still have, but we also have a lot to color.
But then you have to wait for me because all the time I win.
You win?
Yeah, all the time. See, the last time we was drawing a donut, I win because my donut was tinier,
Yeah,
and you did not win.
it's okay.
And that's
There's
why
no winner. All we want is just to draw.
why
Yeah, and have a wonderful piece and color it so well for it to be so fine. That's what matters. No winner.
I'm gonna color the windows.
Don't color the windows
No,
yellow.
no.
That's the door.
I'm gonna color the windows pink.
The window we're going to give it a
Purple.
bluish color because it's a glass.
Purple. No, yellow. No, blue.
So,
I'm
don't leave white spaces, okay?
Tiki.
They love coloring.
Your head is gonna be purple.
My head?
Yeah.
Something funny. My head is not purple.
Yes.
My head is not purple.
Yes.
And it's not going to be.
Yellow. Head is gonna be black.
My hair is black.
No, your whole body is gonna be black.
Oh no. Are you going to paint me black?
Yes. And you're never gonna take a shower
Oh, I'm not going to take shower. Why?
because I like you dirty.
Oh, some not so cheeky. That's not fair.
Yes.
I don't want to be dirty.
Yes, and you're never gonna take a bath.
I'll take my bath. Maybe when you're sleeping, I'll go and take my bath
No,
so that you not see me.
no. I'm gonna wake up early and I will take you away.
So very funny. All right. Are you done?
No, you tiki daddy. You're the one who was tiki. You're always tiki me.
You are.
No.
Wow, Sama, your boss is looking so fine. You're coloring the red. Be careful there, so it doesn't mix.
Pants. Matty pants.
All right, can you get this
Windows,
color?
windows.
So let's get the colors. I'll color the glasses. Let's start with the driver's side. Give it this color.
This is a little is gray.
Is it gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the glass.
But look, do you see the gray?
Yeah, it's not gray.
Yes.
It's a bit bluish. It's like light blue.
But it's kind of gray.
It's kind of gray. I agree with you. Yeah.
Yeah, because last day when we was drawing our dice, she said you don't want it because it was a little dark. It was dark.
It's dark, yeah.
That's why you said no.
And the exhaust, we can give it black.
For what?
The exhaust? Okay. Complete yours.
Where did you color it? I already color. Oh, there's exhaust. I thought you colored so L. Thought you color it L.
Give it black color.
Daddy, did you hear that sound? I snapped it. Did you hear it?
I heard it. You snapped the
Pencil.
pencil. Okay. It's so strong.
Yeah, but some of the other
Let's
ones.
use this one.
That oven when we bought it last day, it was
This one.
It was not
It's like orange.
It was not opening.
Yeah, it was too hard. Alright, so let's color the opening here on the tire, which is the wheel.
Friends, today we've drawn a beautiful.
Yeah, we've done a very beautiful school bus. Wow. Emma, wait.
Well, I'm done.
We're done. This is awesome. Friends, wow, we've come to the end of this video. Somebody like what you've drawn?
Yes.
And it's so fine. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. If you do not subscribe now. And see you next time. And bye-bye.
Alright, friends. Yes, I might have said it all. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed. And let's see you in another video. Bye.